Hello Jackie and welcome to this video. I was referred to you by Mirko, and in this video I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. I will be covering the website, the content, Google Business Profile and backlinks. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button over here, contact details, so the email address. You have the moving quote form, which is really important for your company. Then you have the different services that you provide, so a description of those services and links to those different back pages. So that's really good. Well done there. And you have the reasons why people should choose to work with you and why people should choose you, testimonials and reviews. So in terms of the amount of content, you actually have 955 words, which is actually really good. Now, the importance of having content is not only for Google to understand what your website is about, but also to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords so that when Google or when someone is performing a search in Google, Google can find you for those particular searches and mark you as a relevant result. If I have a look at two of your competitors, so Two Men and a Truck, for example, they have 901 words, very similar to yours, and Low Budget Movers, these guys have 1660 words, 616 words in their homepage. So an opportunity for you there to actually perhaps increase the content by just making sure that it has relevant buyer intent keywords. So I came here to the Google search and I type in Movers Phoenix. The first section that you see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The downside is that they can be expensive and some people just turn them off in their browsers. The next section, the Google Maps, this section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank here you need optimized and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, for example, and Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, you first need a website that is safe, secure, that is responsive, that it loads in less than 1 second, and that it has the correct that is correctly built and has the correct the right content. And to rank it, you need something that we call backlinks. So we have a tool called Ahrefs, and this tool helps us analyze the back end of a website. And right now I am looking at your website and I can see that there are 109 external websites directing traffic to your website through 495 backlinks. And if I have a look at Two Men and a Truck, there are, just for the Phoenix landing page, they have 31 external websites directing traffic to that particular landing page through 133 backlinks. And Low Budget Movers, there are 213 external websites directing traffic through 832 backlinks to this to their website. So it's important to have a look at that backlink profile just to make sure that you not only have more backlinks, but you have quality backlinks. And those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in. And it's the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones. And according to that, it's going to rank them in the Google Organic Search. Now, the other section that I wanted to share with you is the organic keywords. And this is the most exciting one. I can see that you are being ranked for 288 organic keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times these keywords are searched for per month. And the position is in which position your website is appearing for that particular keyword. So you can see that you're actually ranking on the first position for your brand, which makes total sense. But then when we search for buyer intent keywords, so we can see that Moving Companies Phoenix has a search volume of 1600 and you're in position 26. And you are ranking for Phoenix Packing, Local Moving Phoenix, Moving Help, Moving Companies, Phoenix AZ. If I have a look at Two Men and a Truck, these guys are being found for 244 organic keywords. And if we actually just type in, I deleted it, Phoenix, then you will see that they are ranking on the first position for Moving Companies Phoenix, and thanks to that, they were able to drive an estimate of 596 visits. Movers Phoenix first position, out of 900, they were able to get 294 visits, just an estimate. And this accounts to 35% of this, of just these two keywords only. So here the objective is that you identify what are those keywords which have a high search volume, to include them in the content of your website so that Google can find you for those keywords. Then focus on building the backlink profile so that you can rank at the top. And then you can grab a portion of this traffic, because it means that a percentage of that traffic is going to end up in your website. Another percentage, they're going to pick up the phone, they're going to call you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use the information to increase the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.